Enermax decided to extend the Platimax DF line with 4 more members featuring from 750 up to 1200 watts capacities. All are fully modular, 80 Plus Platinum certified with a 1200 unit being also certified by Cybernetics with Eta-E and Lambda S++ efficiency and noise certifications, and feature the dust-free rotation patented technology, DFR in short, which helps in avoiding dust build-up at the internals of the PSU, something that can be a problem on the long run for most PSUs. Thanks to DFR, the fan spins in reverse at its full speed for some seconds during the unit's startup phase, in order to remove any dust from the PSU's internals. Another interesting feature of the EPF 1200 EWT model is its super compact dimensions. This PSU only has 16 cm depth, something that usually is the case in lower than 1 kW units. Once you open the box, the first thing that you will notice is a folded piece of paper, which is the user's manual. This manual can be also found online. It provides technical and power specifications along with a plus 12-volt rails distribution on the modular panel. Some installation and safety tips are also provided. An accessories box holds the AC power cord and the Slimax modular cables, along with some cable organizers, several zip ties and velcro straps, and the cord guard metal clip which secures the power cord in place, and a set of screws. Enermax calls the provided modular cables Slimax, probably because they feature individually sleeved cables. The 24-pin ATX, EPS and PCIe connectors use 16 AWG wires, with all the rest connectors using 18 AWG gauges. Let's put those cables aside now and take a look at the PSU. As you will see, it is well protected since it is totally surrounded by packing foam, and on top of that, it is stored into a nylon bag. Onto the nylon bag there is a small piece of paper showing the power distribution of the plus 12-volt rail. You should take a look on this paper before you proceed with the PSU's installation, else you might experience unexpected shutdowns if you use energy-hungry components and you plan to highly overclock them. The nylon bag that protects the PSU can be used to store the unused modular cables once you proceed with the PSU's installation. The power supply looks like a 7 or 800 watts unit. Its dimensions definitely don't show that it has 1200 watts capacity. PSU downsizing at its best, provided by Enermax and Channel Well technology. It's time to spin the whole bundle using our rotating base in order to show you what you will get along with the power supply. The EPF 1200 EWT uses a twister bearing fan which according to Enermax has a crazy long lifetime, reaching 160,000 hours of operation. Only the best fluid or hydrodynamic bearing fans are able to match this, with the majority of them staying below 100,000 hours. However, the lifetime alone, without any mention of the operating conditions, doesn't mean much to us. At 25 up to 35 Celsius, some fans might have high lifetime. However, those temperatures are highly unrealistic for PSUs, where the manufacturers should provide the expected lifetime of fans at above 40 Celsius temperatures. According to our knowledge, only double ball bearing fans are able to withstand for long, high operating temperatures, with the rest of high-end bearings, FTB or HTB, failing much sooner than expected. This is the reason that why I only suggest double ball bearing fans for mining PSUs that will be heavily used. The PSU's finish is matte, scratch resistant, and it doesn't attract fingerprints, easily at least. The external design is nice as well, with aluminum cover of the fan grille fitting nicely with a dark grey chassis. That was all for now. Don't miss the second video that we made for this PSU, showing its internals along with a part analysis.